now in the era of AI, and you know, of course, everyone knows that there is a big and huge development right now in the AI field. And that didn't, of course, leave the construction field. Of course, it touched it and it had an impact on it. Maybe people didn't still see it very much. We see it in a lot of different fields. But for your information, in AI at the moment can totally transform your processes and workflows through building or through making AI agents that can read your data and communicate this information or your standards to the clients or to the consultants. You can even have the AI you can see some videos right now that is becoming popular, that people are modeling even with AI, that they are doing this AI prompts that using a connection to to your digital environment that it can do the modeling for you. So you can see now AI potential is rising up very well in the construction field. And people maybe will be worried that it will replace me or it will take my place. But exactly, no, it's not. No, that's not the case. You have the control to set the rules and the variables for your AI. AI won't understand this by itself, but you are the one who set the configurations in the right way for the AI to start working. And we even in our practices at the moment, we start using AI as a tool to validate all the information. You know, the main thing and the best thing about AI, it can work with huge data. And that's very common in the AEC field. Yeah. We have a lot of models, a lot of information coming from different sources. So how I can validate all of this information? You come to a better automation part through AI that can work and validating all your data and all your information with very simple prompts.